Hey guys, I'm here just doing a quick little update video on my dually project that I've been working on here. Been at it for a couple years now, and recently I've made a couple videos, well I guess they were about 4 months ago, of me installing headlights and everything in here. And since that video I've actually done quite a bit of work that I haven't really had time to videotape. But I ended up putting the box back on. I pulled this dually fender off here and repainted around the dually fender. It still needs a little bit of touch up, as you can see here, and there's a couple spots on the tailgate. The fender needs to be fiberglass. It needs some fiberglass work down here. It was actually damaged in an accident. And I ended up getting all the body work done. I got the cab corner. The rocker panels are all replaced. I threw a 6-inch rough country suspension lift on it. It's actually, seems to me to be about a little bit bigger than 6 inches like they say. I went with this kit here, GM 88 to 2000 Classic K25/35/8 lug 6-inch suspension kit. It being a dually, going on the website, it says that it doesn't fit dually models. It wouldn't work with the rear end because it's different. And after I contacted Rough Country about this issue, they actually even told me over the phone and email that it wouldn't work. And I had a few other questions just about two-piece drive shafts and all that to make sure it would work. And even though they told me that it wouldn't fit dualies, I went ahead and bought it anyway, and I was just going to buy lift springs if I couldn't make it work. But it turns out that it actually fit just fine. It's got the blocks back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Over there's a better look. It just has the blocks and the longer U-bolts, and all the brackets worked for extending the brake lines. There was absolutely no issues at all installing it in the back end. So if you guys are worried about maybe trying to lift your dually and you can't find a reasonably cheap kit, I definitely recommend it, because so far it's been great, easy to install. Took it in and got it aligned after I took the whole front end apart, and passed right away. And then I drove it around quite a bit. I recently actually just put temporaries on it. Being in Ontario, the safety inspection regulations are actually pretty tough to pass, and they require a lot, so it's still quite a ways from being ready to go on the road. But I put temporaries on it just so I could transport it around a bit from shop to shop and from where I got the body work done and everything. I also put an exhaust on it, or part of an exhaust anyway. I got some mufflers and the cat's back on, which you can see right up in here. I just run in, right now it's true dual Flowmaster Super 10s all the way back. It still has both cats, which are required to pass the Ontario safety. And then it's just running the stock 16-inch 8-lug rims with 30, but I think they're 31s. I'm not really sure what the actual size comes out to. They're 265/75 R16s. And they work out to just over 31. Well, they're at just a 31 now, so they probably wore out a little bit. But it's all running good, and spent tons of time on it now, and got the lights all done. We're got a few wiring issues, just shorts in the back end to worry about, because some of the signal lights and stuff are doing some funky things. But we're getting pretty close, and eventually I'm going to need some new mirrors. I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace to find a set of tow mirrors for these trucks, because these little tiny mirrors, they sure don't show you anything with the dually. What else am I going to need? Well, I'm going to need, I guess, the rest of an exhaust. And still a few more things, but hopefully it's getting closer. So hopefully one day here we're going to be able to take it out on the road. I'll have to put the trim back up. And eventually I'll need a new set of tires. I think the kit recommends you can run 35 by 12.5 on 18 and 20-inch rims. Here, I'll see if I can find it here. Yeah, there's the recommended tire and wheel size you can fit. But I think I could probably clear 37s And I'm also going to eventually throw a new bumper on this, so I'm probably going to wait and find a new set of tires and rims together just to get rid of the 16s, because there's no point in trying to fit 37s on with a 16. And yeah, I don't think there's much else that's really happened since I recently showed it. I'll probably do a video in the next little while here about just taking it for a ride and having it run. It's pretty loud, and it's pretty loud in the cab right now, just being dumped just behind the cab. But hopefully soon I'll have the rest of the exhaust on, and then I got a new bumper there. It's upside down right now, but I got a new bumper just because somebody decided that it would be nice of them to put a little dent in it for me. Here, you can see it right in here, right there. It's nice and dented, but I picked up one of those for actually nothing, so it'll be swapped out soon and we'll be ready to go, hopefully in really no time at all. Unfortunately, the winter is a few months away, so it'll be getting parked again soon, but nothing really to worry about. Hopefully have it on the road and safetied up and ready to go before then. Like I said, I'll do another video soon and just kind of another update with it running and driving around maybe, and get a little bit more work done here, and I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. Take care. Have a great day.